Hi friends, thank you all so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Alyssa, and today I'm just going to decorate and finish up this mini travel journal that we had created in my last video. If you missed that video, I will also link it down below. But just as a little recap, refresher of what it looks like, we have some pockets here. These are pockets, and that flips open and we have more pockets. We've got our signature here. And then in the back, we just have some fun little vellum pockets. And there's a pocket, of course, in the very back as well. So I'm going to start with my cover here and start decorating here. And I think what I'm going to do is just grab this little scrap strip that I had, and I'm going to put just this little quote here that says, "Start doing things you love." And I'm just going to place it over my scrap strip. And I'll see where I want to place this. Maybe right here. And then I'll just cut the end here into like a little flag or banner type shape. But yeah, I'm probably just going to do something like this because I really love this butterfly print. So I'm just going to glue this right on. The butterflies are just a statement in and of themselves. So let's move on to the inside. So these were side pockets. I made two little side pockets here. And you could notch them if you wanted to, but I chose to just leave mine as they are. So I think I will probably just stick a little journaling card over here. Rise and shine. Okay. For the pockets now, I just have this little scrap, which is also from the paper pad here. This is the Spring Pastels paper pad from Joann's. And this says, "Spring has sprung. It's a beautiful day." So I thought that was a cute little journaling card. So here's my first little top pocket. I'm going to stick that in here. And then I'm going to grab this little cut apart that says, "You're the best." And I'm just going to stick that into this pocket here at the bottom. Okay, inside I have this sticker that says, "Adventure begins." So I definitely want to put that over here. And then maybe I will just stick this little coffee dyed index card underneath and do something like this for some writing space. Okay, now for my pockets here, I have a little cut apart from the paper pad as well. It says "Reflect" down here at the bottom. So I'm going to stick that in here. And then I also just have this little scrap, and I think I'll just stick this piece in here. I am going to round my corners. And kind of just turn this into another little journaling card. And maybe I'll add just this little butterfly sticker to the top there. Hopefully that stays on. If not, I'll just grab like a glue dot or something. But this could just be a cute little journaling card as well. Okay, so here are my pages. I'm not going to do anything to these just because when you actually go to journal in it, then you can decorate and fill those pages up. But let's move on to the vellum pockets here. And I'm just going to grab this little ephemera piece. I don't even remember where I got this, but it was just in my stash. And then I have a 3x4 Project Life journaling card. So I'm just going to stick those in here. And then there is a pocket here in the back too. So I have just this scrap here that this could be turned into like a bookmark or just a tall, skinny little journaling card. So just for now, I'm going to stick that in here. Just like that. And then in my other pockets here, I'm going to just stick a few more little journaling goodies. So that's just some lined paper. Here's another cut apart from the paper pad. And then same paper as my cover. I think this would be such a cute little bookmark too, or just a journaling card. And then I have this tag, which was from an ephemera pack from Joann's. So I'll just stick those into here. And then I did utilize this back part behind the vellum pockets as a tuck spot. So I just have this scrap here. Again, I'd probably turn this into a journaling card, but you can just tuck something behind the vellum as a little tuck spot there. And then of course we can't forget the other pocket here in the very back. So I'm just going to grab a scrap paper here, also from the same paper pad. And I think I want to just add this little sheet just right over top. That's a perfect little fit. And this could be turned into a journaling card as well. So this one you could write front and back. Maybe if you have smaller photos, you can put them on these little cards. And then that will just go in my very back pocket here. Just like that. Okay, so I think that's pretty much everything all filled up. But there's our cover again. Start doing things you love, and then you can fill this whole journal up with things that you love, of course. But we have our fun pockets, places to write and do some memory keeping. There's our little signature in the middle. And all of our fun little journaling goodies to play around with, tuck spots, pockets, all of that good stuff. So other things that I would put in here if I was actually taking this on a trip with me would be things like ticket stubs and passes, like museum passes, park passes, movie or play tickets, things like that. Business cards. I used to love collecting business cards everywhere I went. So I actually do have a few business cards from all over. I would put receipts in here. I save my receipts all the time. Maps and brochures or pamphlets, if they're small enough, of course. Or you can just cut out pictures or a small piece of a map or a brochure and include it in here. You could put postage stamps in here if you're traveling abroad. Small food packaging. You can also just kind of like cut apart different food packaging, different like candy wrappers, whatever, and just stick pieces of them inside of here. Because since this is a mini journal, it might not be able to fit bigger things, of course. What else? What else? Sometimes I save tags from like other souvenirs that I buy. So maybe if I buy a shirt, I'll save the tag on it because sometimes clothing tags have very nice designs on them. Like, for example, this was a tag on something, but it has butterflies on it. And you could just easily stick something small like this in here. This was another tag to do, live in the moment. Like, how cute is this for a little journal insert? So these would definitely fit in any of the pockets in here. They're super cute, still like ephemera almost. So those are just some examples. These are 2 tags that I kept because I thought they were so cute. You could put postcards in here depending on how big they are, or you could kind of just like take a postcard and fold it in half and have it be the center of your signature here. I mentioned that this piece here could be turned into like a bookmark, but if you get a bookmark from somewhere, maybe like a gift shop or something, you could also just stick that inside of here. So there are lots of things that you can put in here that you collect from your travels, and there are probably so many more that I missed, but I'm probably just going to end the video here now. I hope that you guys have enjoyed making this mini travel journal with me and seeing what kinds of things I put inside and doing a little bit of decorating with me. So thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you very soon in my next video, so happy crafting and huge hugs to all of you.